Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can get Elementor templates and not have a pro subscription. So first of all, you want to go ahead to the plugins and add a new plugin, and you want to go ahead. So what you want to do is go ahead and write on Pro Elements. Now, as you can see, the Pro Elements is licensed under GNU General Public License version, so you can use it. And you can just go to Elementor proelements.org, and here you can download this plugin. And now you go here, upload a plugin, choose a file from your computer, and now you can click install now. Now once it will be installed, you will have some of the pro version elements on your Elementor editor, but of course not all of those, because in order to have a pro, you need to subscribe to the Elementor Pro. Now, what you also need to do is, again, search for another plugin, which is called, just write down Elements. And now you will find a plugin which is called Envato. Now, this is how it looks like, Envato Elements. You want to install it. This is royalty-free photos for Envato Elements, and they also have Elementor templates. So you can activate it. Now, once you will install it, you will see it right there, Elements. So you can go ahead and go to Template Kits, and you will find here some templates which are free to use. So here they have 4,000 premium template kits, which you can install. And here you have it, completely for free. Now you can just install this kit. For example, let's use this one. Now you will need to connect your Envato Element subscription, so you need to basically subscribe to them for free. Now what you need to do, make sure to go ahead to Template Kits and choose Free Kits, because another way you will need a subscription, which is around $15 per month. Now just basically choose a template which you like. So for example, let's do this one and click install the kit. You can also preview the website. Now let's view this kit. Now you can import all of these pages. So for example, let's install the home number 1, the menu, maybe even menu 2. I'm just gonna choose it later. About us, contact us, and maybe that's that. Now we need to go ahead to our pages, and now you just open up any page. So for example, this one, and let's edit it with Elementor. So Elementor would open up, and now it's loading. After it will load up, I already have some type of website here, but I'm just gonna remove it here. And now you want to click not this plus sign, but this folder one, and go to my templates. And now click right there, my templates, and here you have it. Now let's insert this home. Where is the home? Here it is, home page. Apply it and insert it here into a home page. And here you have it. So if this video was helpful, guys, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.